Good morning, class. It is question number 11. The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the top of a tower is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the top of a tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the foot of the chimney from the top of a tower is 30 degree. If the height of the tower is 40 meter, find the height of the chimney. Let it is chimney AB and it is tower CD, and the angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. This angle is 60 from the top of the tower to the top of the chimney, and the angle of depression of the foot of the chimney from the top of the tower is 30. Angle of depression of the foot of the chimney, it is foot of the chimney, from the top of the tower is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Since angle ECB is equal to CBD alternate angle, then it is also 30 degree. The height of the tower is given 40 meter. We have to find the height of the chimney. According to the air pollution central norms, the minimum height of a smoke emitting chimney should be 100 meter. State of the height of the above mentioned chimney meets the pollution norms or not. What value is discussed in this question? First we take in triangle CBD. Let AB is the chimney and CD is the tower. Then in triangle CBD, CDB, tan 30 degree is equal perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 degree perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Perpendicular is 40 and BD is unknown. Then value of BD is 40 root 3. It is 40 root 3. Now in triangle AEC, tan 60 is equal perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 is root 3. AE is unknown and EC is 40 root 3. Since EC is equal to BD, then value of EC is also 40 root 3. Then value of AE is 40 root 3 into root 3, 120 meter. And height of chimney, is the sum of AE plus EB. AE plus A is 120 and EB is 40 meter. EB is equal to CD. It is also 40. EB is 40, A is 120. Then total height of chimney is 160 meter. Since पोल्यूशन नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करने के लिए चिमनी की हाइट 100 मीटर मिनिमम होनी चाहिए. ये 100 मीटर से अबव है, इसका मतलब therefore the height of chimney follow the pollution norms or meets the pollution norms. मीन्स मिनिमम हाइट 160 होनी चाहिए, 100 होनी चाहिए मिनिमम हाइट, और ये 160 है, मतलब 100 तो मिनिमम हाइट है ही, 100 से अबव है, तो पॉल्यूशन नॉर्म्स को फॉलो कर रही. आल्सो व्हाट इज डिस्कस्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन, मैनेजमेंट of air pollution has been shown.